The evolution of technology leads to continuous progress and the realization of mankind's greatest dreams. In alignment with global technology, Apacer is equipped with a fully automated and intelligent production plant. Apacer possesses advanced equipment and high-quality monitoring devices and boasts extensive experience in customized production, along with excellent R&D capabilities. Now, let's take a closer look at the steps involved in producing Apacer's industrial storage solutions. For 5 consecutive years, Apacer was recognized by Gartner as the largest supplier of industrial SSDs worldwide. The electronic equipment production process is hypersensitive to static electricity. As such, workers are required to wear clothing with anti-static properties. A strict IQC process has been established to run high-tech tests and to check raw materials closely for full compliance with industrial specifications and requirements. QR codes have been implemented to facilitate product traceability. We utilize ultra-precise instruments to ensure that solder paste is evenly applied and that electronic components adhere firmly to the circuit board before entering the pick-and-place process. The QR code is scanned so that the production history is accessible in the MES, facilitating traceability. A material confirmation system prevents the use of the wrong raw materials. The precision machinery ensures quick welding of electronic components and performance stability. Precise, multi-point temperature monitoring in real time eliminates potential production risks. The Auto Program Execution System checks the progress of product testing. Products are subject to thermal cycle tests under a wide temperature range of -40°C to 85°C. Underfill technology substantially increases a product's resistance to impact and shock. Video recording keeps track of the work order serial number and the operation process. Apacer maintains its commitment to provide the most reliable storage for industries by ensuring strict quality control before delivery. Only the best products with the most stable performances are delivered. In response to your trust, and as part of our commitment to our customers, Apacer stays innovative by using cutting-edge technology to come out with the best products. Apacer technology guards your data and brings you the future.